So I invite you now to sit upright as is comfortable for your body. And let's just take a nice, long, cleansing, deep breath. Let's take a deep breath in. Good. And let your body relax. Let's begin at the feet and just send the message to relax and to let go. Relax and let go. Become aware of your calves and your thighs and just relax. Relax. Let your abdomen and stomach relax. Relax your hands, your arms, your shoulders. Become aware of the muscles in your chest and relax. Let your shoulders let go. Sometimes we carry around tension subconsciously, and it prevents us from relaxing and being still. Relax the muscles in your back, the upper, the middle, the lower. Become aware of your neck. Notice how your neck feels. Relax the front, the back, the sides. Just send the message to your muscles. Relax and let go. Relax and let go. Become aware of your cheeks, relaxing the cheeks and the eyes, the ears, the whole face, from the top of your head to the bottoms of your feet. Letting go, letting go, letting go. Letting go and relaxing. And know that you are now centered in the Spirit of God, expressing in and as you. You are an expression of the presence of Spirit, just as a wave is an expression of the ocean. There is no separation between the wave and the ocean. The wave has all the essential ingredients of the ocean. And you too are an expression. Right at the center of your being, you are connected with the source of all that is. As Emerson said, you are the inlet and may become the outlet for all there is in God. As you still the mind and turn within, you are in a process of giving of yourself. You're giving of yourself to God. You're giving your precious attention and awareness to the Spirit within you. You are loving God with all your heart, soul, mind, and strength. As you become still and quiet and turn within, in the most profound way, you are God loving itself. reconnecting, like the drop, like the raindrop, reconnecting with the ocean, returning to its source. And as you reconnect to source, you reconnect with everything needed for fulfillment, for abundance, for peace, for love, for all good. It's this connection that many of the saints and sages have referred to, experiencing through prayer and meditation. It's what the way shower Jesus the Christ meant when he said, I and the Father are one. I am a wave in the ocean of spirit. Know that within yourself. I am a wave in the ocean of spirit. Take a few moments now to just hold that thought in your mind. Keep returning your thoughts to that idea. I'm a wave in the ocean of spirit. I'm a wave in the ocean of spirit. And then listen and wait to feel that connection. And when your mind wanders, bring it back to the thought, I am a wave in the ocean of spirit. What would it feel like for a drop to return back to the ocean? I imagine to project human qualities on it, fulfilling a sense of wholeness, a sense of security and stability. Even as things change, like the ripples on the ocean, there's a depth that remains the same. You're a wave in the ocean of spirit. You're a drop in the ocean. And let us know the truth for our friends and family, that each one also is a wave in the ocean of spirit. Each one is an expression of spirit and an expression of God. Has access to everything needed. This is our prayer for our loved ones. This knowing, this truth. Could there be a higher thought for another person than that? No, I don't think so. Could there be a greater support for their whole being than to know for them you are an expression of God? And let us know that for all people everywhere. Throughout the planet, let us know that Spirit is everywhere present, in all and through all. All the animals, all the earth, and in and as every person. And so it is. And let us bring our awareness now back to our body. wiggling toes and fingers if necessary, feeling the chair or the couch beneath you, opening your eyes, adjusting to the lighting in your room, and now moving forth, continuing to let your light shine during this time together and throughout this day. Amen. Thank you for meditating with me. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more meditations as they go live. Click above for a list of previous meditations so that you can meditate with me on your own time, anytime.